So, you've come on a vacation, huh? What a pity. You chose me to tag along. But I don't mind at all. It's so much fun making a mess of your vacation with so many calls and emails back and forth. And I absolutely love it. When you don't have access to your work because you're far away from it. But I absolutely hate BatchMaster ERP on cloud because it offers you the mobility and flexibility to keep in touch with work and satisfy your clients while literally being on the road.
Enough is enough. I need BatchMaster now.
Want to save your business from a chaos like me? Get BatchMaster ERP on cloud. Anywhere, anytime.